Welcome to my YouTube channel. Previous section we studied that assimilation, assimilation. Another one is accommodation. Now we study equilibrium. 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 First we know that assimilation is adding up new information to your schema or to your mind. Accommodation means this new information, correction of this new information, that is called accommodation. But equilibrium is called what? Equilibrium is called balance between assimilation and accommodation. That is called equilibrium. That is called what? Equilibrium. Then another one is adaptation. Adaptation. What is adaptation? Now, yes, these three process together facilitated is called adaptation. Assimilation plus accommodation plus equilibrium. These three process together facilitated is called adaptation. Now we know Piaget four stages. Piaget four stages. First one is sensory motor stage. First one is what? Sensory motor stage. Sensory motor. Second one is pre-operational. Second one is pre-operational. Third one is concrete operational. Fourth one is formal operational. Sensory motor stage started birth to 2 years. A child birth to 2 years, that is called sensory motor stage. Pre-operational stage start 2 to 7 years. Pre-operational stage started 2 to 7 years. Concrete operational start 7 to 12 years. Concrete operational start 7 to 12 years. Or formal operational start above 12 years. So sometimes in seated they ask in pre-operational stage started in the given option, for option they given, but you chose 2 to 7 year is called pre-operational stage. Sensory operational stage is started back to 2 year. Pre-operational started 2 to 7 year. Concrete operational start 7 to 12 years. Or formal operational start above 12 years. That given by Jean Piaget, these four stages. In sensory motor stage is also called object permanence. Remember, object permanence, object permanence. Okay, object permanence, object permanence. Sometimes they ask which stage of Piaget theory is called object permanence. Object permanence. Now you remember always that is sensory motor stage is called object permanence. Okay. In sensory motor stage, child also see reflex action. Remember, reflex action. Reflex action. Okay. Reflex action. In sensory motor stage also imitative behavior. Imitative behavior. Imitative behavior. Child show their imitative behavior because in object permanence means in birth to 2 years, a child know that some object name like dog, cat, fish, little words they know that object, they know that object, that is dog, cat, fish, like that. Imitative in a sensory motor stage also, child behave like in sensory motor stage child behavior is imitative. Like if you smile, they also smile. That is like imitative or reflexive action behavior. Next section we studied their other stages: pre-operational, concrete operational, and formal operational. आपको दिस एपिसोड आपको दिस अच्छा लगे तो मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल को लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब कीजिए। नेक्स्ट सारे बहुत ऐसे ही अपडेट लेके आऊँगा। प्लीज़ गाइस लाइक एंड शेयर और सब्सक्राइब करने के लिए मत भूलिए, प्लीज़ गाइस।